Pay attention to what I'm gonna tell you today. I'm gonna show you this amazing strategy, and that will make you money. So let me go ahead and start, guys, with the very first pair of the week, and that is going to be Euro GBP. Boom. Pay close attention what I'm gonna do, guys. Always pay attention. Here is Euro GBP, and I always do the analysis on 4 hours because 4 hours is the best. The next thing I do, guys, is I always pay attention to 4 hours and daily time frame. I always pay attention to the higher time frame. The next thing that I pay attention is I always pay attention where is the TW sniper entry doing. When it shows TWE buy, it means the stairs are showing up and the trend goes up. Same thing goes on the other side. When the TW sniper shows up, the stair turns in red, and bam, the trend change. This is what this strategy has made me money, guys. Hopefully it will make you money too. Let me go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about here. When you guys see the yellow box with the yellow arrow, if it's red, when it's green, it will show the same yellow box with the green arrow. So when the yellow box with the yellow arrow shows up, it means the trends will be turning down. Hopefully by then you should be getting your TW sniper entry, and bam, and then you can hold on tight to the trade until it turns on the other side of the trend, which will be your yellow box with your yellow with your green arrow, and the trend will continue, goes up. Okay, so same thing. Let me go and show you the real data, what I think is the market is gonna do this week, guys. If you guys pay attention here, here's your weekly analysis, but again, I'm gonna go slowly. Okay, here's your multiple time frame. Here's the TW sniper entry. Here's the stairs showing the market is only going in one direction. Here's your yellow box with the green arrow, stating the market here has gone bullish for a very, very long time. So now here on the dashboard is showing that on Friday the market is going to give us a pullback. So pullback is valid. This pullback here that you are seeing is valid. So if you see here, you're not seeing any yellow box with the red arrow, right? Because the trend here is still bullish. So this is what so pullbacks are always going to happen on the market. So I believe the market is going to come all the way to our 38.20 Fibonacci level, and from there, boom, market will continue on that buy trend because the Euro GBP is only going in one direction, and that is bullish. So all I'm saying is the Euro GBP is just doing a pullback. So I'm gonna give you another pair, guys. I want you to understand, guys. If I'm going too fast, please let me know. The point here is to make you understand how to look for trades on the market. Okay, so I'm gonna explain the same thing that I explained on Euro GBP. I'm gonna explain you on the next pair. So the next pair that I'm gonna give you guys is going to be gold. Gold is one of the most tradable pair in the world. Look at the dashboard, guys. Look at 4 hours and daily time frame. What is this saying? It's turning. Everything here is only going in one direction, and that is going to the moon. Once again, guys, always pay attention to the TWE, the stairs. If the stairs are in green, means the market is going up. If the stairs are in red, means the market is coming down. Another thing that you need to pay attention is if you're gonna be trading with the box, guys, look for the yellow box with the green arrow, and bam, bank in there. Same thing when it turns red, you can hold on tight. Always move your trailing stop because it's very important. If a pullback comes out, it will take you in profit, not in loss. So same thing when it's coming down, yellow box come with the red arrow, and bam, you bank it. It's here reverse. If you would have your trailing stop, you will be getting out in profit. Then you can turn on the other side of the aisle, wait for the yellow box with the green arrow, and bam, you will be banking heavy all the way down to the moon. This is gold. Let me show you what gold is gonna do this week, guys. This is me telling you what the market is gonna do, but you can do your own analysis. If I'm accurate, you will see it. If not, it's fine. Looking 4 hours and daily time frame, saying that we are in a buy trend. Here's our TW sniper entry, stating that we are in a buy trend. Look at the stairs. Where's the stair heading, guys? The stair is only going in one direction. And look at what happened here. Market gave us a yellow box and market drop. But the trend, the original, this was a pullback, but remember the original trend here is only going bullish. Look at what it left us on Friday, guys. Yellow box shows up with a green arrow. The first two candles are already green. So my analysis for this week again will be the following, guys. Market still has potential to go all the way to our 23 Fibonacci level. From there, market is going to do a small retracement, and bam, market will continue on that buy trend, because that's all I'm seeing. I'm not seeing anything else, guys. If you guys want me to analyze any of your peers that I'm not gonna cover on this video, please send me a message. The link is on the description of this video. I will be more than happy to do so. Also, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you will never ever lose any weekly analysis from our channel. So because I like to teach you guys, to be honest, I like to teach you what is going to happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because I don't have no data. I don't like to teach you back data. Oh, if you would have taken this buy, you would have made the money. Oh, if you would have taken this sell, you would have. No. I want to teach you what Monday is going to do, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If I'm wrong, then you can see it. That's the way you learn on this market. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next pair, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna give you is going to be GBP JPY. Pay close, and let me not show you the real trend yet. Once again, guys, look at the dashboard. Always pay attention to the dashboard. Boom. The daily is showing that we are in a sell, and 4 hours is showing us that we are doing what? We're doing a retracement against the higher time frame. Always pay attention to the yellow box. When is market is gonna drop, it will give you a red arrow. When the market is on going up, it's gonna give you a green arrow, and bam, you will be banking. Repeat the same process over and over again. Now let's go ahead and review the real data. Look at the previous trend, guys. Look at what I love to trade on daily time frame. The daily is the boss. Look at multiple times showed up in here. The yellow box showed up in here. I gave you guys this pair last Saturday, guys. Last week I told everybody the goal was gonna be selling down, and here is the proof. I told you the market was in a very nice bearish here, and look at what happened. Look at the candle. Never gave, look at here, it never ever give you this green arrow coming up with the yellow box. It never did. So it just dropped crazy. That's why you are seeing here on the 4 hours that we are doing a what? We are doing a pullback. So the original trend is sell, but we are doing a pullback. So pullback is accurate. So how far is GBP JPY is gonna go? In my opinion, it's gonna go all the way to our 38.20 Fibonacci. That's one. If it did respect this, guy, it's gonna come to and retest this previous multiple time frame in here, which is your 61.8 Fibonacci, and that's gonna be a huge move going to the bullish trend, which it could happen, but I don't want to tell you all the way there. If the market goes there, it's fine. If not, I want to be more safe, take some profit out of here, and then continue the original trend, which is selling. Will be dropping all the way to this previous low, and then by then the week is over. So what do you guys think on these pairs, guys? Are you planning to trade any of these pairs? Did I miss any of your any pair that you want me to analyze? Let me know in the comment below. Make sure you do subscribe, because I'm coming up with very nice video, guys. A lot of people are charging you money for this, but hopefully this makes sense. Once again, guys, thank you so much. God bless you. God bless our beautiful nation, the United States of America. Hasta la vista. Boom.